Highlighting its concerns over Pakistan-based terrorist organizations at the United Nations Human Rights Council meet, India on Tuesday hoped that situation in Afghanistan does not pose a challenge to its neighbors and the Afghan territory is not used by terrorist groups such as Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed to threaten other countries, as it pitched for an inclusive and broad-based dispensation in Kabul, representing all sections of the Afghan society.
India on Tuesday hoped that the situation in Afghanistan does not pose a challenge to its neighbors and the Afghan territory is not used by Pakistan-based terrorist groups such as Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed to threaten other countries. In his address at a special session of the UN Human Rights Council on the situation in Afghanistan, Indian ambassador to the UN in Geneva, Indramani Pandey, on Tuesday pitched for an inclusive and broad-based dispensation in Kabul, representing all sections of Afghan society, adding that voices of Afghan women, aspirations of Afghan children, and rights of minorities must be respected.
Voices of Afghan women, aspirations of Afghan children, and the rights of minorities must be respected. Stability in Afghanistan is essential for peace and security in the region. We hope that the territory of Afghanistan is not allowed to be used by terrorist groups such as Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed.
Terror groups like Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed have been fighting alongside the Taliban against the US-led forces in Afghanistan for the past several years. Over the years, the two terrorist groups have primarily focused on India, where their missions involve carrying out direct terror attacks, infiltration, indoctrination and sabotaging of New Delhi's interests. Earlier, India also raised the issue of cross-border terrorism and activities of Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed at the meeting of BRICS representatives responsible for national security, and said that these groups enjoy state support and threaten peace and security. The representatives adopted and recommended the BRICS Counter-Terrorism Action Plan for consideration by the BRICS Summit. The action plan aims to further strengthen existing mechanisms of cooperation in areas such as financing and combating terrorism, among others.